How to fix Instagram received problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, just open Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And if you found here any updates, just click on it. It's easy. And if that doesn't fix it, or you can't find any update or something like that, then go back and turn off your Wi-Fi and restart your phone. Close your Instagram and open it again. Turn on your Wi-Fi, and if that also doesn't fix it, now go to settings. This one for Android phones. Go to apps again, type here Instagram. Go to storage, clear cache, and go to data usage. Make sure mobile data is allowed. Maybe we'll find it like that. And that's it. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.